When life feels heavy, remember that God is your strength and refuge. Your struggles are not meant to break you, but to build you, shaping your faith and drawing you closer. Even when the path feels uncertain, God is already ahead of you, preparing the way. Hold on to His promises, for He turns burdens into blessings and battles into breakthroughs. You are never alone. God is with you, fighting for you, comforting and carrying you through every moment. Trust His even when you can see His hand, because He is working all things for your good. God bless you.